Leicester's one of the biggest emergency departments in Europe. We see upwards of 230,000 patients a year in a single site.
We needed a system that was intuitive, that when people logged on, started clicking on, it just felt like they'd always done it, so you didn't need a lot of training.
I think the key reason why it went so well is that we had a great deal of clinical engagement in the design of the system, so that it turned out to be something that was really usable from a clinical frontline viewpoint.
We make demands on fast turnarounds, and Nervecentre have shown that they can work with us to do that and appreciate the challenges that we have as an organisation.
Our experience of working with Nervecentre is to have a team who are really focused on the needs of the staff using the system, not on the outputs of the system, and that was really important for us.
The big difference with Nervecentre is that it's been designed in conjunction with us as a department for what we needed to work as a department.
The old system that we used was a very static A&E system, and we weren't able to adapt it at all. With Nervecentre, we have that flexibility.
I definitely felt on initial meetings that there was very good engagement and understanding of the clinical problems. So this wasn't, we've got a solution for you, deal with it. This is the way we like to deal with a solution. How does that suit you?
Our entire footprint is covered by Nervecentre, so from the moment people book in right the way through to their discharge, it's all handled by the Nervecentre system.
With Nervecentre, I'm able to see what's coming into the front door, what's coming into resource. I'm also able to see, by looking at their EWS and their frailty, what the acuity is of the patients that are coming in, so that I can redeploy staff to the areas that need them the most.
The ability to see the whole department in a very accessible way, the numbers of patients, their level of dependency, where they are, where the weights are, all on one screen, what we call the flow screen, is really useful. And we can see that not only within the department, which helps the people running the department on a day-to-day basis, but we can see it remotely, so literally anywhere in the world we can see it if we want to.
So I really do like Nervecentre. It's much better than the computer system that we had before, for tracking purposes, for being able to see priorities, and for being able to see patients' EWSs, which is something that we've not been able to see on previous computer systems.
From my experience of Nervecentre to date, I would certainly recommend working with them, basically because the product that is produced is something which works for frontline clinical staff, is reliable, and does the job that we need it to.